back by popular demand because so many people were asking about how do I do that? How would I do that? And as you can see, we're going pink. And I enjoy using these cuticle protectors. And what this is going to do is just help to protect my skin when I start doing the stamping process. Perfect. And then I use plate M329. This is not a new plate. All of the items that I'm using today are all current items that are on the site. This is going to be a multiple stamp process, so you're definitely going to want to make sure that you have your sticky stamper station. I love all the different sizes. It's just kind of like creating your own full nail design. So I really try my hardest to carefully take it away from the skin like this. And look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the smudge free, and look how cute that is. So show yourself some love. Go do something that makes you happy.